Yesterday we have a price action going to the upside of our chart, and this is the moment where everyone could get very, very bullish, and that is not what you should be doing because there is no huge sign of strength. If you zoom out into 4 hours time frame, you can see that we are still making, basically go to the daily chart actually, and you can see that we have our high, basically low, lower high, low, lower high, lower low, and it is in a very macro perspective, this is a bearish trend. But obviously, if we go into the hourly time frame, you can see that locally we are making higher highs and higher lows. This is a bullish market structure, so this is the first sign of little strength, I would say. And yes, there is a potential for another leg to the upside, but we shouldn't be looking for, like, I don't know, 70k areas right now, because we are just below 45k area. So what we had yesterday is basically, let me show you a few levels which I've told you basically, which we had. So I've marked this level for you right here at the basically 43,300. And what we had there is a nice reaction from this level. If we zoom in a little more, yes, you can see that we had a really nice reaction for 1.3%. So there was a resistance, we had a reaction, but basically it was a quick move to the downside and then again to the upside. So that is one respected level. And also what we had is resistance right here. So the other thing is we reacted from this level one time and then 2 times. And that gives to us right now a really nice range, in my opinion. You can see that we have very nicely defined high, high acted as a resistance, and we have support 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this is a support for now, and this is a valid range. As you can see, the middle of the channel is very nicely respected also. Basically support, broken, resistance, broken, support, broken, resistance, resistance, broken, and maybe it should act as a support. So maybe we will see if it will be acting as a support, or maybe it is a partial rise and then we'll go out of this range. Everything is possible, but yeah, let's look at scenarios that have the basically that are the most probable to happen. So very simply what we have, I want to show you my daily levels which are important for today. So very simply, as you know, we are in the range. And what is the support? Very simply, trade the range until it breaks. So we have the low. Also as a support, as a confluence, we have previous day value area low right here. So that would be a really nice deviation from the range, back inside, long, and to the high of this range. Obviously, we have to look at the point of control of this range, because it is also an important level. Basically, from here, you can see that we had price reactions really nicely happening. So price is reacting to this level. This is a respected level, and this is also what we have to keep in mind. If we, for example, where's my brush? If we, for example, do something like this, basically that is a sign of weakness that we are rejecting at the middle of the channel, at the point of control. Price is basically, people are thinking that this is too high price and it is going lower. Basically that is the first sign of weakness when we reject from the middle of the channel or point of control. So yeah, as I said, that could be a partial rise. So this is bearish. But nonetheless, basically what we're looking is for support at the low of the channel, and for as a resistance we look right here at the high of the range. As a confluence we also have previous D value area high right here, and you can see that it has been respected already 2 times. So yeah, that is basically the range. Very simple, very respected, and you should look at it. So as we know our support and resistance levels locally, what we can look at is where we could find support and resistance if we'll break out of this range. Very simply, let's go to the 2 hours time frame. What we have is another, as you can see right here, we don't have any resistance because price didn't build any support at that level. So one could think that as price went down really quickly right here, price can go up also really quickly. So the resistance would be basically this range. If we take our point of fixed range tool again and pull it, you can see that we have value area low right here. SR flip would be also right here, and point of control, value area high. So this is also a really nice range in my opinion of resistance. As you can see, the respected high, respect, support, respect, and this could be the first zone of resistance. And if we will go to the downside, basically what I would look for is to retest this high of this range, basically go something like that. That would be my support zone. If we'll see an acceptance into this range, obviously what we have to do is again look at this range to basically trade it in this range until it again breaks. So yeah, that is really simple, I guess, and nice technical analysis. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any further updates. And yeah, have a brilliant day everyone. See you later and bye.